Hello, hello. Good morning, California. Saying hello to the J Series freaks. JV6, Hesperia, California. So, what we got in this box? Hmm. Let's see what we got. Let's see. We start seeing goodies. P2R intake manifold thermal gasket. That's the first thing. What we got here? SMP Performance. SMP. Sean Martinez. You have to look for this guy on Instagram or Facebook. This guy is making a lot of talking. This guy is making the people talk. What we got here? I know this is gonna be huge. I know a lot of people's gonna start asking where I can get this. Right here we got what? The throttle body. Look at this. Look at this masterpiece. Wow. Look at that. Poof. Poof. Ported. Poof. Wow. What a work. What a work. Okay, let's continue. What we got here? Right here. What is this? You know what is this, bro? You know what is this? You know what is this? Intake runners. Look at how this guy send the stuff. Really well packed, extremely secure. Extremely secure. Look at this, man. This is beautiful. SMP Performance. Full port and polish kit. Runners. Throttle body. And the intake is right here. Don't worry, you're gonna see it. Let's go step by step. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Wow. What a work. We're gonna compare with the OEM ones. Let's show how is the differences. Boom. Okay, now let's take out this boy. Uh-oh. 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 Look at this. Look at this work. Bro, this is something out of control. Bro, look at this. For $700, you can get all this. Look at that. Wow. What a work. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Wow. Extremely soft. Wow. So We got the intake. We got the throttle. We got the runners. And we got the P2R. Wow. For $700, people. You can get all these. It's a super decent price. Everything included. Everything included. The only core charge will be for the runners. You have to deliver yours. Don't forget that, please. Oh man, this is great. Look at that work. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, man. What a type of work. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the bulbs he put on. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. SMP performance. Look at that, man. What a work. Thank you, Sean Martinez. Right here we got the full pour and polish kit for J series. In this case, this is the A4, A2 intake manifold, 80mm throttle body. Yeah, everything is included in the price, $700. Wow. Next video, I'm gonna install it, and hopefully this is gonna make a lot of power more. Thank you for watching YouTube. J Series Freaks SMP Performance. And remember, everything on everything, you know, I'm always gonna say, Jesus is the king of our life. Jesus changed my life, and he can change your life. He can change whatever life. Just only let him work. Let him work. God bless you, and see you at the next video.